Now it shoots it like as a fire attack. Has like a little explosion now.
Get ready to switch challenge modes. This Lawback's clearly had a rough childhood, folks.
Ah, shit. I do not want to do this twice. I'll tell you that much.
Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
Do not want to do this twice. Alright, I'm back to the regular. Any more of those? Some. Not really worth it though.
Who's gonna clean up that mess? Not me, man. This Lawback's clearly had a
Shit.
childhood, folks. Get ready to switch
laugh out.
challenge mode.
Ah, shit.
Smell that?
Damn it. Dude, I'm scared out my life right now. I do not want to lose. Doing this twice is like, to even think of that is murder.
Yes, not much longer now. Let me tell you, those things will take your eyebrows off. Did you see that?
There we go. This is like completely useless during the boss though.
Get ready to switch challenge mode. Everybody hit the deck! This guy's crazy!
There we go.
This sucker can really do some damage!
Oh my god, this gun is like the best.
Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
Alright, we're almost halfway through. Trying to use the most out of my Inferno as I can. I think it's gonna end soon. Look at the devil. Come on, give me money. I'll take these. Give me that. Alright, cool.
Believe it or not, folks, I've got that thing wired to a control. I'm wearing the press box.
There we go, got that. Yo, this is crazy. I love the Ratchet Clank series. Ancient Goomba, what's up, man? Thank you so much for stopping in. Yeah, I love these games too. Doing like one of the harder arena challenges right now.
Get ready to switch challenge modes.
I'm about to level up, so I don't have to really worry about my health.
Championship material, folks.
There we go. I don't know if they're gonna put a boss fight. At the end, I do not know. They do. They actually do. All right. Agents of Doom. Killer. Just kill him, please. Alright, cool. Woo! Almost gotta go like a complete round without. Sexy. He's this piece of shit.
Did somebody say it?
No, you did not. Oh my god, that's such a big throw. That is such a big throw. He just threw himself right off the thing, dude.
Up like a Christmas tree. Positively shocking.
Jesus.
He's got sharp teeth too. I wonder if he bites.
Oh my god. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I definitely want to one-shot this so bad.
He sure got his bell rung that time. Get ready for Switch Challenge modes.
Do not mess with this.
Get it on.
Do not mess with this gun, yo. Ridiculous.
Let's turn up the heat down there. He could be championship material, folks. Hey, Lomback, don't look down.
Shit.
Take much more of this punishment.
Oh, that was good. Shit.
Look at those beady little eyes. He's got that 1,000-yard stare. This one. Damage.
Oh my god, screw you. Alright, second one. Oh, this is perfect.
Hey, buddy, you got a permit for that?
Perfect. So basically I get to use weapons for free without to worry about ammo. Gorgeous.
He's got that 1,000-yard stare.
Boom. Boom, boom. Dude, I'm hustling right now.
Whoa! This little sucker can really do some damage.
Fire from the hip. Oh my god!
Clawback just won't go down.
Oh my god. I need to level up. I'm about to level up though, so it's not that bad. Woo! Yes! I got more health because I leveled up. I gotta respect that now. Gotta respect that. I mean, technically I should always respect it, but... If I can get another level up without taking damage, I should be good. Don't you fucking hit me. Oh god, oh god. Don't touch me, don't touch me. Can you turn that thing off? Oh my god. Oh, I just switched my thing. Oh, and I got hit. I mean, it's only 2 damage. It's not that bad. Still bad, though. Oh, my God.
Let's turn up the heat down there.
They just won't turn this shit off. Oh, God. This is shooting them, too.
He's got sharp feet. I wonder if he bites.
There we go. That's a Hydra.
Let me tell you, those things will take your eyebrows off.
Alright, 76. Round 76. I'm still stuck on random weapons. Y'all think I can do this? You guys will leave? Wait, no, you wasted my fucking Inferno. That doesn't matter. That's not, we're right back to it. Come on. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. I have a feeling someone's gonna open a bet. But then I'll first try this. Go ahead, I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Dude, if I can get a, what's it called? It'd be really good right now. Oh no, I'm using my regular ammo. Okay, it doesn't really matter though. Come on, kill as much as I can.
Weatherman says,
oh my god. That just made me take another hit. I need more health though, or else I am gonna die to the other guy. That was a good turn shot.
Ooh, he's got sharp teeth too. I wonder if he bites.
Come on, Infector Gun. You guys really put bets on this. Jesus. One shot, one shot, one shot, one shot, one shot, one shot. Oh, please don't let me use this gun. Oh, fuck. I'm just gonna spam it. Not using that thing. Help a brother out.
This Lombax clearly had a rough childhood, folks.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
There we go. $91. Fuck. Alright, we can't get hurt in this mode. Oh my god.
Ooh, he's got sharp teeth, too. I wonder if he bites.
Oh, respect it, respect it, respect it. Ooh, child. Alright, we might be able to get a level up off that, which would be really good. Okay, sweet. Cycling weapons. Alright, Queet, that leveled up, so we got another thing. Guardian, what's up? Chance, what's up? Oh my god, but I didn't level up. I don't think I'm gonna get a level up.
Oh, yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
95. $95. Keep jumping, maybe. I got a sniper rifle now. Turn and burn. Alright, nice. I took that out.
Oh, brother, he's lighting it up like a Christmas tree.
Woo!
Oh, yeah, that's entertainment, folks.
There we go. Yes, that leveled up too. That's really clutch.
Let's get it on.
Gimme. Nice. If I can do 2 rounds with this, I'll be really good. Well, technically only 1 round. Alright, there we go. There goes another level up that I needed. Alright, so that canceled out. Okay, here we go. Shit. One shot. The one shot. Yes. Perfect. Yes. Thank God I bought that. That thing is broken as shit. Oh my god, that shit is broken. Only 2 people with bat too. That's the best part. So what is it? One person said I would do it, and the other person said I won't. Wow, Hachi, how could you? Oh, so you put mad money. Okay, it wasn't that bad for Tachi. Oh man. It's all the bosses aren't hard, dude. Do you know how strong my weapons are? My weapons are strong as hell. It's just the other things getting nicked down. Like it's 100 rounds, so like you can just like slowly get nicked down a little bit. Blackwater City. Yeah, man. And then there's the sewer crystal, and then win all challenges. Okay, I'm still working on that because I don't have that one gun. With Courtney Gears. Bet you was just playing. Oh, okay. I'll save the. I'll do this real quick. Today has been an awesome day, despite all the bullshit. Deco, what's going on? I fucking love this game, Nostalgia Overload. Well, don't worry, we're gonna be playing the rest. I'm probably gonna save the Courtney Gear stuff for tomorrow. I think that would be best. I mean, she's gonna get destroyed because, like, my weapons are already pretty strong. That's the only bad thing about Ratchet. Like, the bosses don't mean anything. But I'm gonna put it all on YouTube. I think this is what I honestly used to do.
Well, are we glad to see you, Sarge? The Noids are getting ready for a major attack.
Love that, yo.
Incoming!
This gun is strong as shit, dude. How much is this? How strong is this thing? 600. Wow, this thing is so broken, dude.
Enemy aircraft! The Noids are dropping in reinforcements!
3 hits on that. It's actually almost stronger than I think it's stronger than my sniper rifle at the moment.
Look out! The Noids are coming across the bridge!
Wow, even the suck cannon is better. I mean, the suck cannon is like level 5 though.
Looks like the Noids have had enough! Congratulations, Sarge! You sure lived up to your reputation!
Alright, bat on the bridge, let's do it. Yeah, this is up your arsenal.
Let's go, Sarge! We've got orders to neutralize the enemy forces guarding that bridge! The Noids are dropping Troops behind us! We're surrounded! Run for your lives!
Not with this crazy ass gun, dude. This thing is broken. It is legitimately broken. You're not gonna die. Imagine when that gets maxed out. Oh my god.
Objective secure. We have captured the bridge.
Broken. So broken. Counterattack. Let's do it. I gotta start using stuff that's already leveled up, though. We gotta get this level up.
Somebody needs to get behind those noise and take them out. We've got orders to attack the enemy base and wipe these slime suckers off the planet. No way, man. We're not going near that base until somebody puts those turrets out of commission.
Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, I ran out of ammo. Oh, that's not gonna work.
Let's move. Roger that.
Oh, I have a lot of money. Holy shit.
Heads up. Enemy saucers. Sarge, we're getting pounded by enemy saucers. We need backup.
Wolf.
Oh, that was some fancy shooting, Sarge. Incoming.
There's no way I can take that out.
This is a big one.
Come on, I need to upgrade these stupid guns. Come on. I think that's it.
That's the last of them. Blackwater City has been
Gravity
secured.
boots. I can use that on a lot of maps.
That was a close one, Sarge. Thanks for the backup. I tripped over these gravity boots while I was running from the Tyrannoids. I believe they're your size.
And it's Courtney Gears. Let me go back to the ship and play. Yeah, let me play that comic. I'll play that comic first. And thank you so much for the blesses. And then we'll get out of here. I do appreciate all the love and support. We will be back 3 p.m. to EST tomorrow. I should be able to finish it. I think you just like fight Courtney Gears, and then like it's pretty much straightforward after that. Especially if the Rift Inducer is like one of the last, I think one of the last guns amongst like some other ones as well. So we're pretty close. We're not close to the end, but do that. I'll probably start off the stream with the sewer crystals, Joe. Give people some time to come into the stream, and I will find the most of them like very quickly.
I heard somebody has the latest vid comic in the Quark versus...
Shut the fuck up. Double check. Double check. Alright, so we can easily buy this. And that. And we got leftover money. Oh, look at that. Pretty dope.
Excuse me, could somebody make sure that there's coffee brewing in the cafeteria? I'm very disappointed.
Alright, we got this. What? Eastern Standard Time. We were supposed to be streaming much earlier in the day, but I had some issues, so I'm just trying to make up that time. 11 hours from now, yeah. Around that. Gonna sleep, wake up, go for another run. Work on that, you know. Well, I'm gonna go get some breakfast as well.
Episode 3, Shadow of the Robot. For 6 days, Captain Qwark clung to the ship like the dung of a giant green space bird. Finally, the ship arrived at its destination, a secret robotic laboratory on planet Magmos. Drawing on his mastery of the ancient art of disguise, Qwark slipped into the laboratory completely undetected.
Wow.
Somebody order a pizza?
Qwark's plan was flawless, but unbeknownst to our hero, his every move was being watched.
The famous Captain Qwark couldn't possibly be this stupid, could he?
Even drooling imbeciles can achieve success in certain fields, sir. Mad science, for example. Shall I have him annihilated, then?
Let him come to us. I'll have a special surprise waiting for him.
So stupid. Absolutely stupid. Alright. This is a mini game. Oh, I didn't know. Oh my god, he takes a couple hits. Dude, I'm about to die in the beginning. Make sure we check everything, boys. I can't get up there. Make sure you check everything. Oh my god, I'm godlike. I didn't even think about that at all. It should have not like something like that. No, that's not. Look, I'm finding all the secrets, baby. All the butter, baby. There we go.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
I can't do that. Just double checking. Because if you get all at the end, you get like a bonus. I can't jump off that. Ow. Anything here? Jesus. No, nothing there. Jesus. Get Get the red one. Red is 10. Alright, so we got. Now I gotta find that much more. And we should be fine. And that's perfect! Woo! Wall hacking. I am wall hacking, I'm sorry. Perfect! So the only one that I messed up on so far is the second one. I butchered that. That noise is so bad. So bad. Perfect.
It's over, Nefarious.
Never! I am the greatest genius the galaxy has ever known. You're no match for the likes of me.
That's rich. I used to beat up geeks like you in high school. I'll bet your prom date came in a box that said batteries not included. Say, come to think of it, we've met before, haven't we?
No, of course not.
Mr. Buzzell's 9th grade biology class.
I always hated biology.
That's right. You were that freak with the headgear. Remember how I used to clean the chalkboard with your pants while you were still wearing them? Oh, good time.
Wow, that's fucked up.
3 times my size, you stupid hole.
I was always big for my age.
You were 26.
Say, how about a wedgie for old time's sake? I think it's safe to say we've seen the last of Dr. Nefarious.
What a
Time
jackass.
to celebrate another job well done.
But the danger was far from over, for in defeating one menace to the galaxy, Qwark had created another, even more terrifying evil.
Dude, it always goes back to him fucking up somehow. Keaton Elise. I was always thinking, you were 26. I know. It has really good humor. Like it has really good humor in it. It has really good humor. Like that's why it always attracted me to the game, is that it actually has really good humor. And especially on the PS3 version, when they are more aware, like super aware that their audience has grown up with the game. Like they really hit the nail on the head with a lot of the jokes and stuff like that. I really did. I just love the series. But I am going to